Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel Home Decor by Mahnoor. I am here to give you the glass railing grill design ideas for your balcony. You can decorate your balcony design ideas for your home in 2023. The railings around the balcony or staircase in a home can make or mark the overall look of one's home. This is why due care must be taken when it comes to balcony railing design or staircase railing design ideas. For those who are particular about the strength of the railing, steel railing design is the way to go. Railing made of stainless steel and steel require negligible maintenance and are easy to clean. Steel as a railing building material has gained huge popularity in the past 2 decades. In this video, you will get glass railing grill design ideas as well as stainless steel railing design ideas. Even though the material is expensive, hard to maintain, and requires regular care, many people continue to use wood as a material. Nothing lends itself so convenient to achieve a decorative effect as glass balcony decoration. Apart from being used widely for entrance gates, also the low content of the carbon is also used widely to construct decorative railings. This rust resistant material is durable and can be used to create eye-catching railing design ideas for your balcony. Value for money: stainless steel railing grill design ideas is also easy to repair and maintain. One invariably sees the glass and metal combination in railing designs in commercial buildings because of the more formal appeal they offer. These are also found in residential spaces, an elegant combination that offers simplicity along with easy maintenance. Stainless steel and glass railing of grill made of glass and metal are gaining popularity by day. However, with glass being used, safety remains an issue. As well as appealing to the eyes, the classic blustered railing continues to charm homeowners across the world. Made of solid construction materials, which are considerably inexpensive, the classic railing requires much less maintenance than the wooden railings. However, cleaning and maintenance must still be the barber. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Home Decor by Mahnoor. And please keep on watching my videos and please share with your friends and appreciate my work. Thank you so much for watching video.